Let's divide 410 by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning with me, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We look at the first digit of 410, which is 4. We're using just this one digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's check 2 times 2 is 4. Write down 4 below the 4. Now we subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. Easy peasy. Great job, you've got this. We're done with the first digit. Time to move on. Next up, we bring down the next digit from 410, which is 1. Now we have 1. Okay, our new number is 1. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It fits 0 times, so we write 0 in our quotient. Let's see, 0 times 2 is 0. Write 0 under the 1. Subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. We have a remainder of 1. You're doing awesome. Keep that energy up. We've handled the 1. What's next? Last step, let's bring down the final digit 0. Our number is now 10. We have 10. How many times does 2 fit into 10? Think of your 2's times tables. It's 5 times, so we write 5 in our quotient. Our quotient is now 205. Let's check. 5 times 2 is 10. Write 10 below our 10. Subtract. 10 minus 10 is 0. No remainder left. Fantastic work, you solved it. We've used all the digits and have no remainder. We're all done. So 410 divided by 2 is 205. We just learned how to do long division with a 3-digit number. Remember, break it down step by step and you can solve any problem. Great job, everyone. Keep practicing and you'll be a long division master in no time. See you in the next video on Let's Stud.